Hi, thanks for joining us for the third edition of our ORM in Action series. This segment today will focus on why it's important to manage your business listings. During this brief webinar, we'll cover why business listings are more important than ever to the success of your organization and a 3-step strategy for managing your business listings effectively. We'll also show you an example of how an organization realized significant benefits by using Reputation.com to manage its business listings. Let's begin. Probably the most important reason to have up-to-date, accurate business listings is to drive consumers to your locations. According to Google, 4 out of 5 people use search engines to find local information, such as business hours and addresses. Accurate business listings are key to customers finding you. Brand perception starts in search and on maps. If your listings are accurate, people get the experience they expect, and this helps to build trust. Having complete listings that feature photos, hours of operation, and more improves consumers' perception of your brand. In fact, consumers are 38% more likely to visit and 29% more likely to consider purchasing from businesses with complete listings, according to Google. Accurate complete listings help your locations also rank higher in local search. This is important because near-me searches have doubled in the past year, and 82% of smartphone users say they use search to find a local business. What's more, 50% of consumers who searched for a local business will visit a store within a day. If your listings aren't optimized, you may not show up in search results at all, and you'll miss business opportunities. Failing to correct and maintain your business listings can result in less visibility and lower search rankings for your locations. If people can't find you on search, they'll go to your competitors and you'll lose business. But maintaining business listings can be challenging or impossible, especially for large location-based businesses with hundreds or thousands of locations. Information is constantly changing, creating inaccuracies. Unfortunately, many business listings solutions focus on correcting hundreds of sites across the web when really you only need to focus on the major sites. About 90% of all searches are performed on sites like Google, Facebook, and Yahoo. Now let's talk about an effective strategy for addressing the challenges and avoiding potential consequences of inaccurate business listings. We're going to cover business listing strategy in 3 steps. First, you need to create a single source of truth that integrates all listings information, reviews, reporting, and more. Second, you need to have complete, accurate listings on the sites that matter most, starting with Google. And last, you need a steady stream of recent online reviews to help boost rankings in near-me search. Let's take a look at each step in turn. First, it's vital to build a single source of truth to feed your location's business listings on the web. All key data, including addresses, phone numbers, hours of operation, and other essential information must be accurate, up to date, and a single repository. You need to track coverage of all of the key data elements across the web and their accuracy. This is the only way you can reconcile discrepancies in the information displayed in your listings everywhere consumers will see your location's information. Next, ensure complete, accurate listings on the sites that matter most. This process begins with auditing and claiming your listings on all high-traffic sites, beginning with Google and Facebook. It's important to identify the sites that will have the most impact for your business. An online reputation management platform can automatically fix and streamline the maintenance of all your listings across the web. Finally, make sure you have a steady stream of recent online reviews to help boost rankings in near-me search. According to Moz, the volume and recency of your reviews affect your rankings. Plus, Google includes snippets of your reviews in search results, so you need to make sure they're recent and that your ratings and reviews reflect your true quality of service in your listings. By combining business listings with online reviews, you'll be able to strengthen your online presence across the web. Now let's take a look at how one Reputation.com customer was able to take back control of its business listings to help increase traffic to their website, help customers find their locations, and drive revenue. This Reputation.com customer is a national organization in the diagnostic imaging industry. It has a network of more than 40 centers in 7 states and has been a Reputation.com customer since May this year. They were able to make huge progress in a short amount of time by focusing on one task at a time and keeping communication open. When we started working with them, the majority of their business listings were not accurate. They were trying to manage them manually, which wasn't efficient or effective since it was too much for any one person or team to handle. Plus, they had only claimed a small portion of their listings and couldn't even access the other pages to correct their information. To address these problems, they were looking to create a single source of truth for listings data, one file that could be shared across their organization, containing the most current data for each location. They needed to improve listings accuracy for all of their locations and claim pages on all high-traffic sites like Google and Facebook, so they could better maintain the data people see when searching for their locations online. First, we quickly compiled accurate location data to use as a starting point for creating a single source of truth. Second, we cleaned their listings on all of the high-traffic sites. Third, we helped them maintain accuracy by monitoring listings through a comprehensive dashboard, while they provided timely edits of any information for any location changed. We maintained that high level of accuracy to ensure that people find the correct phone number to make an appointment, the correct address to drive to, and so on for each of this client's locations. And fourth, we maintained an open communication throughout the whole process. Reputation.com communicated with locations where pages needed to be claimed. Regular meetings were in place to ensure both sides were on the same page with the status of the project and any outstanding action items. Clear communication kept our project on track and led to quicker success overall. The results of our efforts were significant. We improved listings accuracy to 97% across all sites. The organization now has 100% accuracy on the highest traffic sites. And we saw a significant increase in driving direction requests, phone calls, and clicks through to the client's website from their Google listings. In just a few months, implementing a business listings program enabled our customer to solve their massive listings accuracy issue, resulting in more customers and revenue. We hope you enjoyed this mini webinar, ORM in Action for Business Listings. You can check out the other episodes of the series on Reputation.com's Resource Center. Thanks for watching.